subtracted 2 from both sides of the equation. X and then out. And I got 8. I rewrote the equation, which is 4 over 5 x equals 8.
Do me a favor. Erase what you wrote and write it neatly. See, that looks like 4 over 5x. You want that x pretty much in line with the fraction bar, so we know that the fraction is times x. Okay, the fraction is multiplying x.
He put 8.
That's not correct. You get 32 over 5. You can't simplify that. So your answer is 5. Your answer can be right.
I divided 4 over 5 by both sides of the equation. Exit that out. And then I wrote the equation again, which is x equals 8 over 1 times 5, before over 5. And then you have to switch the equation around, which is 8 over 1 times 5 over 4. Multiply to get 4 over 40, 4 under 40. And then I divided 4. Then I divided 4 into 40 and got 10, which matched my answer.
Let me see. Okay, 40 over 4 equals 10. Yeah, see that? Here's a couple of mistakes. First, the x equals, you need to keep the x equals there. So x equals 10. Great. Now, we'll shrink you down, give you some space. Check your work. You didn't check it. Here's how you check your work. Hold on. Before we go to the check, I got a question. How does x equal 10? All right, let's blow this back up. So, all right, let me backpack or backtrack. Carlos, are you listening? I'm going to backtrack through Mr. Ringfield's work. Wrote the equation, 4/5 x plus 2 equals 10, right? Subtract 2 on either side, we get 8. So 4/5 x equals 8, right? You with me so far? Divide both sides by 4/5, okay? 8 divided by 4/5 is right here. Here's one mistake. This looks like 8 times 4/5. Make it look like division. 8 divided by 4/5 is here, okay? With me so far, Carlos? Now, we multiply by the reciprocal. So this becomes 8 times 5/4. When you multiply straight across. 8 times 5 is 40. And then 1 times 4 is 4. Well, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Okay? So he just simplified that 40 over 4 and got 10. If you can simplify it, do it. But if you end up with, like, I don't know, 33 over 7, that's not going to simplify to a whole number. So you just leave it 33 over 7 unless the problem requires you to turn it to a mixed number, or it's some sort of word problem where 33 over 7 cups of sugar, nobody talks like that, right? So, but since we can simplify it, we did. Mr. Asoro, don't go nowhere because you need to check it. Minus 2, negative 2. Tell me what's the difference mathematically? There is no difference. Okay? He's doing the inverse operation. If we're adding 2 to work backwards to find what x is, we subtract 2, right? Okay, so that's what he did. Now, he needs to check his work, and let's get out of the way and let him do that. Oh, don't worry, there'll be another opportunity. Trev. You know what, Ringfield, let's let Trevor check it, because he couldn't do it a minute ago, and now he says he's got it. Well, we'll talk about the check. Let's watch Trevor. So, the check will work. First things first, rewrite the original problem. You're looking the other way, you need to be looking up here. So you start by writing the problem, hopefully a little neater than that. So 4/5 x plus 2 equals